आज हम लोग क्लॉजेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। दो क्लॉजेस के बारे में हम लोग पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, दैट व्हाट इज क्लॉज, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स आर देयर, दैट डिपेंडेंट इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस वी हैव डिस्कस। आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉजेस। फाइन, तो पहले हम थोड़ा सा ब्रीफिंग दे देते हैं क्लॉजेस के बारे में। इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड, वी पीपल हैव डन इट अर्लियर आल्सो। फाइन, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड हैविंग सब्जेक्ट वर्ब कॉम्बिनेशन प्लस इन दिस वन व्हाट इज देयर, इट शुड हैव ए कंप्लीट मीनिंग। फाइन, तो जो क्लॉजेस को हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया था टू पार्ट्स में, एज आई रिटन दिस अर्लियर, इट वाज इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस एंड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस। अब इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट इज अ complete, it is having the complete meaning, having the subject verb combination, group of word is there. So we are not going to touch this portion, we are going to touch this subordinate clause. This one is known as independent clause or main clause. This one, dependent clause, it is also known as subordinate clause. Fine, so because it is going to start with either coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, or relative pronoun. We have discussed this thing earlier. Fine, so now what is dependent clause? Dependent clause, it means it needs independent clause, to be very frank. Fine, it needs independent clause to convey this meaning. Now they are divided into three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Now we are going to discuss about adverb clause. What is adverb? थोड़ा सा brief ले लेते हैं उसके बारे में. Adverb, it is the additional quality of another verb, adjective or adverb. I have written this thing. Or it is going to modify another, it is going to modify verb, adjective or another adverb. So let's see what it is, because we are going to discuss here adverb clause. It is a group of verb. From the beginning we are discussing subject verb combination must be there, and third thing, act as an adverb. ये इसका जो फंक्शन होगा वो क्या होगा? एडवर्ब की तरह एक्शन होगा. फाइन, सो एज आई हैव रिटन देयर एडिशनल क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट इज. He fled where his pursuers would not follow him. He fled where his pursuers would not follow him. Now in this one, because it is working as an adverb, so what is there? Firstly we'll have to start that it is going to start with where. Fine, as everybody knows this thing, where his pursuers would not follow him, this is known as adverb clause. One thing. Second thing, subject verb combination is there, subject is there, verb is there, and it is for this verb, it is working as an adverb. इस verb को describe कर रहा है, उसकी quality बता रहा है. So that's why, or या फिर we can tell this thing, it is modifying this verb, fled. So talking about this one, this is known as adverb clause. Now the next one, as man sow, so shall they reap. So shall they reap, dependent clause or adverb clause. Why it is so? Because इस वाले so को, this verb, this is ये verb है, they are modifying this one or they are describing this one. Another thing, so shall they reap, subject is there, verb is there, subject verb combination is there, talking about this verb, इस वाले verb को modify कर रहा है. That's why it is known as adverb clause. I hope that you people understood the concept of noun clause, adverb clause and adjective clause. Do more and more practice. I hope that you will be able to, get the command on this. आपको आ जाएगा. Try to do this thing, and if there is any query, any problem, do ask or do write down any message. I'll try to sort it out.